Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to import notes from Evernote into Microsoft OneNote. Let's begin. Importing notes from Evernote into Microsoft OneNote is a simple process because for one, OneNote integrates well with other Microsoft Office tools like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and the Microsoft 365. If you are already using these tools, importing Evernote notes into OneNote makes it easier to manage and organize your content within the same ecosystem. Now, first off, you might want to open the notes that you wanted to import to Microsoft OneNote. So I'm going to choose my notebooks. I'm going to choose the blanks, or if you haven't already, just create a note from scratch. Let's click the new note. Let's type in and then we're going to add an image. For the title, this, and then an image. All right, and then on the top corner, there is a three dots icon wherein just click it. Click the print note. All right, don't worry because it will be forwarded to the Microsoft later. I want you to click the arrow beside the print option. All right, if you do, as you can see, the document can be forwarded to the Microsoft OneNote. Right here. All right, Evernote and the Microsoft OneNote. If you click that, what will happen is you would be forwarded to this section. All right. And then here, all I have to do is type in the note. For example, how to import notes to Microsoft OneNote. And click the send button. All right. Basically, that's how you do it here using your mobile device, especially using your iPhone. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.